Guys, if you are using spectacles, sunglasses or screen glasses, then you must know this. How to maintain and clean your eyeglasses. Presented by Osumize Eyewear. Suggestion number 1. Keeping your spectacles. Wrap your spectacles with the microfiber cloth and then keep it in the box. Never keep it open in your pocket, in your purse, in your bag or on the car dashboard. If you want to put your glasses on table, put it straight. Suggestion number 2. Wearing eyeglasses. Use both the hands to wear and remove your eyeglasses. In case of misalignment, get it aligned by opticians. Never do it by yourself. Suggestion number 3. Cleaning eyeglasses. First, wet your eyeglasses with normal or warm water so most of the dust is washed away. Then wipe it out with the microfiber cloths from in to out direction. You can also use spectacle lens cleaner for oily spots and smudges. Never clean your eyeglasses when it is dry. Never use your shirt, t-shirt, dress, sari to clean it. Never use detergent and chemical hand sanitizer. For more eye health updates, just follow me and subscribe me.